If you're looking to get started with Deel and want to know how to use it to simplify your global hiring process, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get up and running with Deel in just a few minutes. Deel is a global payroll and compliance platform that helps companies hire employees or contractors worldwide without the headaches of legal paperwork, payroll management, or tax compliance. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or HR manager, Deel can simplify the process of paying people across different countries, managing contracts, and ensuring tax compliance, all from one easy-to-use platform. To get started with Deel, the first step is signing up for an account on their website. It's free to get started, and once you create your account, you'll have access to a range of tools to help manage your international team. Deel's user interface is clean and intuitive, so you can dive right into creating contracts and managing payments without any prior experience with the platform. One of the key features of Deel is that it allows you to create fully compliant, legally binding contracts tailored to the specific laws of the country where your employee or contractor is located. You simply input their details, select the type of contract you want, and Deel handles the rest. This means you don't have to worry about whether you're meeting the legal requirements of different countries. It's all built into Deel's system. Once the contract is ready, Deel also allows you to pay employees or contractors in their local currency. You can pay via bank transfer, PayPal, or Deel's own payment methods. Deel handles all the currency conversion for you, which can save a lot of time if you're managing a global team. You can set up recurring payments for contractors or employees, ensuring that they're paid on time, every time. A big advantage of Deel is the ease of compliance management. Deel handles tax withholding, benefits administration, and employee insurance for you, so you can focus on running your business without worrying about whether you're following all the international regulations. This is particularly useful for businesses hiring in multiple countries or expanding into new regions. To make things even simpler, Deel integrates with many other software platforms like Xero and QuickBooks for accounting, ensuring that you can keep your payroll and financials aligned without needing to manually track payments and taxes. This helps streamline your accounting processes, saving you a lot of time and effort. For those of you just starting out, Deel provides several resources, overseas, including guides and support for common issues or questions. And if you're ever unsure about something, Deel's customer support team is available to assist you, providing fast and effective help to ensure you're getting the most out of the platform. Now, here's the exciting part. You can try Deel for completely free by using the first link below. You'll also get access to some exclusive bonuses that will help you maximize the potential of the platform. This is a great way to experience Deel firsthand and see how it can help you scale your team without any of the usual hassles of global hiring. So, if you're ready to streamline your global hiring and payroll processes, Deel is a fantastic option that can save you time, money, and stress. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer and free trial. Check out the link below and get started with Deel today. You won't regret it. In conclusion, Deel is an amazing platform that makes global hiring and compliance easy for any business. Whether you're hiring contractors or employees from all corners of the world, Deel's simple interface, legal contract tools, and payroll management features will make your life a whole lot easier. Remember, you can sign up today for free and take advantage of our exclusive bonuses, so make sure to check out the link below.